Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today is the 15th of July 2025 and tomorrow is going to be the 16th of July 2025. So tomorrow is my husband's birthday. Now see the time. This is 10:55 in the evening, 10:55 p.m. So my husband is currently asleep now, but not so deeply in sleep. He's in the parlor sleeping. He slept off. So that's why I came to my sewing room. This is where I keep my machine. So that's why I came to my sewing room to make this video. So he's currently sleeping now, and I want to put up some few things for him, give him a very tiny little birthday surprise. I just want to do a very little decoration because right now I'm really broke. So and I can't just sit by and just watch tomorrow just go by like that without doing something special for my husband, no matter how small it is, because he really deserves it. My husband has been a wonderful man right from the first day I met him. Well, I'm going to be giving you guys a backstory about how I met and how long we've known. I think I've mentioned that in this channel before, but one day I'm going to be giving you guys a full gist. So today I'm going to be, preparing a very little surprise for him. Let me show you guys what I got. So this is the balloon that I got. I'm going to be pasting it somewhere where he will see the write up happy birthday, and then I also have some balloons and these petals. So these balloons I'm going to glue them and then attach the ribbon on that and put them on the wall. I just hope to look at you doing this video. So I'm going to be decorating after making this particular video now. Before I start blowing the balloons, I'll wake him up so that he will go inside the room and sleep, because I'm going to be doing the decorations in the parlor. So, and then this is a ribbon I'm going to be attaching to the balloon. It's going to be dangling. Then I'm going to be putting write-ups under the balloon. This is a cardboard paper I'll be using to put up the write-ups. I'm going to write a few things and then put this write-up on the ribbon. Don't want you guys to see how it will look. And then this is the pen, the felt pen or marker that I got. I'm going to be using to write. Then this is the gum that I'm going to be using to attach whatever I'm going to write. So stay tuned, guys. I started doing this balloon already. It's really difficult. But sharp, let's continue.
So I was done here. I went inside to prepare water for my bathing. By the time I came out, these things have all fallen off, and I also found out that my husband is awake. He was using the bathroom, so I thought that okay, I decided to devise another plan and make the surprise now. So I had to burst the balloon so that my husband would come out. I did the first one, he didn't come out. Did the second one, he didn't come out. It was now at the third trial that he came out.
What's that?
Happy birthday!
That would be first one. Feeling and maybe all one. I'm told I'm not heard like that. Told I'm not heard like that. Yeah, he's not gonna have a chemical. How long the things you been on another? Yeah. How long the things you on another? Yeah, they can be there, man. Stand up to my daddy here. You didn't have that in here. This is business. You gotta get it on.
The thing was falling off. I wanted it to come out in the morning and see, but it was falling off. I can't wait to do it now.
You don't want to watch your hand.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's my first time. You may feel it like this. Ah, it's not very much. Thank you. But I like to see the motion now. Jesus, I went to Pataranga. Come on, sleep now. Ah, chill. Then I could go. Try to open it. Yeah, Father. What's the name? What's the name? What's the name? What's the name? Come on. So,
It's all for you, baby.